can you see here, if we have 3 input number, here we must have the root 3. If we have n number, the root must be n. If we have 5 input number, here is 5. And here by mathematical, here it's power by 1. Here is the numerator, it's 1 divide by 3 of this root. Now here is the power value, it's 1 here f, and number of student, we have 3 student, 3 input value. Here say that data type is double, we are storing here in this variable local, we are using math power. This is the base in mathematics, we are saying here this is the base, this is this is the base, this is the base, this is the power, this is power. Here this is the base total calculation, and this is power exponential. Now print formatted, here it will be assigned this geometric value, and this after printing that the cursor here, where is it, will be go in the next line, in the beginning line here. After printing that, it will print geometric mean. After printing, cursor go to next line. Now, and here we have if, and here is very important, if statement. Here is the condition. Can you see here is start the code, here's if, and this is one line of code. If this if it has been executed, else if, or else it will be not executed. Remember, if one if is executed, here if, other else if, else if, else will be not executed. For example, if I have if, for example, geometric. Now, will be executed this if? Yes, of course, because we don't have here else if. For this here, this is the conditional expression. If this conditional expression is true, it will be executed this code. And now, if this satisfies this condition, it's true, the number, for example, is 40 is smaller than or equal to, we have, is it 40 smaller than 50? Yes, it is, that's true. It will be executed this part of code, what we have. Now, else if, it will be not executed, else it will be not executed for this example. Now, for example, I like to here to tell that this expression here, Boolean expression, Boolean, we know we have to do with true or false. Here, for example, this is true, and this here expression is true. If when we use this operator is AND. Operator AND is true just only if this is true and this is true, it will be true. It will be executed this code. If any of this is false, this is false, or this is false, any of this is false, it will be not executed this code. Just, I like to be honest more, to write, to be more Can you see? This first is true, this is false. This it will be not executed, or if this is false and true is false. For AND operator, just it work if both of them are true. Here, can you see I have right? Here is pipe this. We have two or operator. This is true if one of them is true. If both of them is true, it will work. It will be executed, this code, if both of them are true. Or even one of this is true. This is true or this is true, it will be work. It will be executed, this code. This is OR operator. For example, this two here, this if or any if, this has not executed, this has not executed, just this has executed, the else it will be not execute. When it will be else execute, if none of them, if this condition has not executed, or this has not executed, in the end this else it will be executed. Now in the end the value that we have calculated, it will be returned that value. Now we have created here, read the input value. From this class we have created the variable where we have stored this object that we have created, that we have initialized. And here from this variable we are calling this method to get that value, to return that string value. And now this get geometric, and we have returned this double value that we have calculated. Remember, when you like any method to call, you must first write to initialize that, to create the object to store in any variable. If you do not initialize that class, you cannot use that method. And this we are initializing, creating the new object, and that's the reason that we can access to this method. Here I have explained. Now if you have any question, please write to any comment, and to all you I wish all the best of luck.